before you actually enroll to someone, check the credibility. Kung may negosyo ba talaga to? Maraming ganun. Honestly, there are a lot of people who made themselves millionaires because they've been teaching and they've been selling courses that they know nothing about. They read it somewhere and they portrayed it in front of a camera, they record themselves, and then ito na yung course. Sinamarize lang nila yung 2-3 channel ng YouTube ng isang negosyante. Okay, online courses and online gurus. Ang ganda ng tanong mo, pare yan. Sige, usap tayo regarding dyan. Ayan na. Online gurus at sino mga online gurus and online classes? 1, 2, sino pa? Students, raise high. Sino yung nakapagbayad, enroll, tapos nagbayad ka? Okay, alright, sige. There's something I want to tell you about online gurus and online classes, alright? So for me, I myself was a coach. I was a coach at e-commerce, coach sa cryptocurrencies. Before yan, all before my business started with the luxury watches. I was coaching something because I was doing it. I was actually applying it. And I always have in mind that if you want to be the best at what you do, you teach it. That's one. If you want to, that's why I'm here, guys. If I want to be a best at business, I teach it. Okay? Ang masahol dito, like for me, before I started with my e-commerce business, ang naging guro ko, si Brother Rudolph Perez. Who knows here Rudolph Perez? Sa e-commerce. Anyway, Rudolph Perez, why I consume this content and actually pay for it para ma-coach ako sa mga online classes niya is because pinakita niya sa amin na ang dami niyang website talaga and he's getting really good results. Yung ROAS niya, which is return on ad spend, that day he had was tremendous. Sobrang ganda. To the point na nag-enroll na kami. And I don't think there is a problem with that. Even so, I actually advise you. Online classes, online gurus, but mag-enroll lang kayo sa totoong gurus. Yun yung point. Yun yung key doon, guys, ha? Ang daming online gurus na gumaganon. Okay? They don't even know what they're talking about. Kutsa pangarap sa'yo, sabihin sa'yo, this is how to run a business. Check mo yung background, wala naman pala siyang negosyo. Ano yun? Why even universities? Sino dito may mga professor na nagtuturo habang nagtatrabaho in their profession? Accountant, lawyers, raise your hand. Dapat lahat kayo, di ba? Lahat kayo may profession na yon. We call them practitioners. Tama, mali. These are the people that you have to listen to. Yung mga practitioners. Because they're practicing their profession, they're running businesses, they're running departments, they're running people, and at the same time, they run it on the morning and sa evening at saka sa afternoon ituturo sa inyo. Doon kayo makinig. Always listen to those gurus na talagang may negosyo. Hindi yung puro sabi lang na may negosyo, na this is how to sell, walang man binibenta. Ang binibenta is yun lang din. Yung pinaka-business niya is yung pagtuturo. There's nothing wrong with magtuturo ka, pero if ganun lang naman, ba't pa kayo magbabayad? Eh, meron naman na kayong university. People in the university, of course, yung mga professor, they teach you by the book. Ito yung modules, ito yung programs, they teach it to you. Which is fine, because you already paid for it. Why would you pay for something else na hindi naman mga practitioners? So you have to take a look at that. Before you actually enroll to someone, check the credibility. Kung may negosyo ba talaga to? Maraming ganun. Honestly, there are a lot of people who made themselves millionaires because they've been teaching and they've been selling courses that they know nothing about. They read it somewhere and they portrayed it in front of a camera, they record themselves, and then ito na yung course. Sinamarize lang nila yung 2-3 channel ng YouTube ng isang negosyante. But ask them personally, hindi ka nila masasagot sa lahat ng bagay. Kasi they've never experienced it. How can they teach it? Yun lang.